the ALCS. Royals and Blue Jays, and a blazing start for KC on Tuesday. Top one, Ben Zobrist off R.A. Dickey. A two-run shot. Royals have a 2-0 lead. Later in the inning, still no one down. Runners on the corners for Kendrys Morales. Russell Martin with the pass ball. Lorenzo Cain scores on a close play which stood following replay review. Now 4-0 top two. Alex Rios goes yard. Dickey done after an inning and 2/3, the shortest start in Toronto postseason history. Now 5-2 bottom three. Man aboard, 2 men away. Edwin Encarnacion flies out off Chris Young, and 5-2 it remains. Now 7-2 top seven. Lorenzo Cain extends his postseason hitting streak to 13 games. Ribby single makes it 8-2. Now a 10-2 game top eight. More from Cain. This drives in another pair, and you get the idea. Royals cruise to the 14-2 win as they take a commanding 3-1 series lead. Kansas City will attempt to punch their ticket for the World Series on Wednesday behind Edinson Volquez. He battles Marco Estrada in Game 5.